Good morning, children. This is lesson 14. Lesson name is The Earth and the Sky. This is our Earth. This one is sky. You can see in the sky sun, moon, stars. We live on the earth and this is our Earth. Now you will know. You can see what is the significance of blue color and green color on the earth. Here we will know. Children, blue color on the earth represents water because so much water is here, and green color represents forest. Now see, listen carefully. Where do you live? On the earth. We live on the earth. Our earth is covered with land and water. Its 1/3 part is land and 2/3 part is water. The earth looks like a ball. So the shape of our earth is round. What is the shape of our earth? The shape of our earth is round. We live on earth. 1/3 part of land is covered with land and 2/3 part of the earth is covered with water. Now we will know about land. The surface of the land is not same everywhere, children. We live on land, we live on earth, but surface is of different type. It is not same everywhere. It is low leveled at some places and high at other places. The flat lands are called plains. Lands that are higher than the plains are called hills. Very high hills are called mountains. The land between two mountains is called a valley. The dry and sandy parts of land are called desert. Children, lands are different types. The surface of the land is not the same everywhere. At some places it is plain, at some places hills, at some places mountains, some places valley, and at some places it is desert. What is plains? The flat lands are called plains. The lands that are higher than the plains are called hills. Very high hills are called mountains, and the land between two mountains is called a valley. The dry and sandy part of land are called desert. Then you can see the types of land here, that is plain, at some places plain, at some places hills, some places mountains, some places valley, and somewhere desert. You can see picture of plains. It is completely plain. This place is plain, that is flat, and this one is hills, this one is a mountain, this is a valley, this is a desert. So lands are of these types. It is not same. Water is distributed among various water bodies on the earth's surface. The vast and deep water bodies are called seas. Big channels of flowing water are called rivers. What is river? River is a big channels of flowing water that always flow, not constant. It always flow. And the water on the earth, as you know, 2/3 part is water on the earth. So this water is present in various water bodies, that is in the form of river, seas, ocean. Now the sea water is salty while the water in river is fresh and pure. Children, we can't drink sea water because it is salty, and water that are in rivers, that is fresh and pure. Turn the page. Children, now we will know about sky. When we look up into the sky, we see different things at different points of time. During the day, we see the sun, and at night, we see the moon and twinkling stars. Children, what can you see in the sky? We can see moon, sun, stars. At daytime, you can see sun. At night time, you can see moon and lot of stars in the sky that twinkling at night. The sun. Now we will know about sun. The sun is a big ball of fire. It gives us heat and light. It rises in the morning and sets in the evening. It becomes dark when the sun sets and turns into night gradually. Children, as you know, sun is a big ball of fire. It is so much hot and it gives us light also. If sun is not there, we will not get light and heat. And the sun always rises in the morning and sets in the evening. If heaven after the setting, if sun sets, after that it becomes completely dark. That is called night. The moon is nearer. The moon is the nearer to the earth than the sun. Children, as you know, sun is so far, moon is also far, but it is nearer than the sun. Thus, it looks of the same size as the sun, but is much smaller. Sun is very small from moon is very small from sun. It shines with the light of the sun, and sun helps to shine the moon. Moon always shines with the help of the light of the sun. It changes its shape every day. Children, as you know, the shape of the moon is not same every day. It changes always. When the moon appears round like a ball, full moon is like a ball. It is called full moon day. When there is no moon at all, it is called the new moon. When there is no moon at all, it is called the new moon day. Children, you can see the shape of the moon. It is changing. Full moon, then you can see this one day by day it is changing. It is not same every day. It change its place. It changes its shape every day. This is also full moon. The stars, you can see this is a picture of sky and stars are there. The stars are the stars. There are many stars in the night sky. We cannot see them during the day because of the bright light of the sun. Some stars are bigger than the sun, but they look so small as they are very far away from the earth. Children, there were so much stars. There are so much stars. There are many stars in the sky, but we can't say due to sun in daytime, due to sunlight, bright sunlight, so we can't see the stars in the daytime. There are so many big stars in the sky from the sun, but they are so far, very much far from us, so we can't see them, and they are very far from the earth. Children, you will read the chapter very carefully, and if you have any problem, you can ask me. Enjoy this lesson, very good lesson. You will enjoy the diagrams also in your copy. Thank you.